And no, the second Shrek is not better than the first one. So I'm gonna get dressed. I'm probably just gonna go out by myself. Tyson's asleep. She's tired. So I'll probably just go out by myself. I did my hair. I did it for tomorrow for Valentine's Day. But might as well go out today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and get dressed. See my little Shrek shirt. I love Shrek. Anyways, and no, the second Shrek is not better than the first one. I don't care what anybody says. I'm just gonna go to a pub, something light, something simple, and get me something to eat and a couple of drinks. Probably little J's from Amazon. Watch. Bracelets. Shein, and my sister bought me this when I was like 12. My necklace, I Tyson on me. My dad gave me the charm when I was like 12. And my promise ring. So I'm just wearing this flannel, a bodysuit from Zara, a pair of leather pants, and some the black and white, the panda dunks. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.